Welcome to Control Bridge Group. In today's session, we'll cover ISO 27001:2022, Control A.7.13, Equipment Maintenance. Centriosis is our brand dedicated to implementing ISO 27001 standards. Visit centriosis.com to learn more. This control ensures that your IT and security equipment is maintained properly, securely, and without risk to business operations or sensitive data. The scope of equipment maintenance covers all assets that support business operations and information security. This includes servers and network equipment such as firewalls, switches, and routers, user devices like laptops, desktops, and mobile devices, security systems such as CCTV, access control, and alarm systems, utility equipment like UPS units, generators, and cooling systems. The objective is to ensure equipment remains functional, secure, and available, while reducing risks of failure, data compromise, or downtime. To demonstrate compliance with A.7.13, organizations must maintain clear and verifiable evidence of secure equipment maintenance. This includes documented maintenance policies, defining how and when equipment is serviced, asset registers showing all equipment subject to maintenance, maintenance logs and service records, whether performed internally or by third parties, change management documentation for updates, patches, or replacements, evidence of security checks to ensure sensitive data is not exposed during servicing, third-party contracts and SLAs confirming secure handling of equipment, audit trails proving that maintenance activities were authorized and controlled. Auditors will check both documentation and practical practices, such as how sensitive equipment is secured when being repaired off-site. Why is equipment maintenance critical for ISO 27001 compliance? Because poorly maintained equipment can lead to system failures and downtime that disrupt business operations, data breaches if storage devices are serviced without proper data protection, higher costs from emergency repairs instead of planned maintenance, non-compliance penalties during audits if evidence of maintenance is missing. Secure maintenance ensures your systems remain resilient, available, and trustworthy. A cornerstone of information security. At Control Bridge Group, we specialize in helping organizations meet ISO 27001 compliance requirements, including equipment maintenance. We can assist with policy development, maintenance schedules, third-party risk assessments, and compliance documentation. If you have any questions about ISO 27001:2022, A.7.13, Equipment Maintenance, contact Control Bridge Group today. Our experts are here to guide you through every clause, with clarity, confidence, and compliance. Visit centriosis.com to discover our ISO 27001 application and subscribe to stay protected and compliant.